Hello. Now start the okay. So this here completed. 1 minute wait. This is already completely different. We will mail the skill the WSM and now start from this lecture 5 connections. We already discussed dynamic load condition and static load condition. Okay, this is the voltage connection already discussed. Bank cross section area load carrying capacity of the member increased. Okay. Did not start the capacity of main plate is 100 kN, total of load is 1 power plate is 4 volt, and capacity of load is 50 kN. Okay, this is the either force transmission. Start the force transmission. This is the piece the plate. Okay, this is the power section here. The 1, 2, 3, 4 is the rebate section. Okay, this is the critical section for the curve plates will be in almost a section. This is the critical section on main plates will be outcome section. Okay. Then okay, then now this is the L section. The hot roll section show all the properties. All the properties the metal steels and style cover between the temperature action in the gradually manner. Okay. So IS 2062 used to manufacturing testing purpose, and IS 808 is the used for the properties of hot rolled section. Okay, IS 800 is used for the designing of hot rolled section. Okay. Then are the new standard structure are divided in the two parts on the basis of load condition, and the steel footing is provided for load bearing the structure. Okay. The steel footing provided for load bearing structure. Deep foundations provide for the formal framed structure. In framed structure, column are stated to bending moment and axial compressive force. Bracing is stated on the reversal of stress resulting from the action of wind load or earthquake load. Bracing are considered stir and tie member. The gusset plate are provided to transmit the force one members to the other member. Okay. Okay. Then in frame structure is common to the selective bending moment and axial compressive force. Then now the bracing are subjected to the reversal stress resulting from the action of the load. The earthquake load is the main important. A bracing member is a consists of the stirred other tie members. Okay. And the brother pair provide to transmit the force from one member to another member. Okay. This is the image of the gas plate is the showing the figure. Okay. This is a plate is connected. Okay. So wind load, point load, and column, gusset plate, angle, and gusset plate. Footing, then column and footing. Okay. Then now the start of question: a member of truss consists of ISS 65 and 65 and 6. Okay, and is connected with the gusset plate. Angle section selected with particular working load determine number of bolt required. Jam section bolt. A grade 4.6 are used to make connection. Sigma F is the 1.5, E is equal to 30 mm, and P is the 50 mm. Okay, this is the section of the IES 65 to 65 and 6. Okay, and the design action is the 1.5 is the 75 kilonewton, 50 is the P, and 1.5 is the gamma F. Okay, the number of bolt total load upon the bolt stem. This is the side views, open side view, total load upon the bolt stem. Okay, series strength of bolt is going to NA to the FUV per root 3 into 1.25. Okay, equal to 1 into 0.78 or into 5 by 4 into 16 square. Okay, put in the value. Okay, then into 4 and upon this root 3 into 1.25. After the calculation, get the result of 28.97 kilometer. Okay, then now bearing strength of bolt. Whereas the bolt is already discussed in the previous lecture, the 2.5 kV into T minimum into FU upon 1.25. All values are put in the kV is equal to E upon 3 do denote F equal to denote 2.5 FU upon FUP. The one is the minimum. Okay, the three categories. Okay, the kV is 0.55, 0.6, and 0.9. It is the one minimum. The kV equal to 0.55. Okay, so the bearing strength of bolt is a 2.5, which is known 2.5 into 0.5 into 16. Unknown minimum equal to 4 into 10 upon 1.5. After that, getting calculated the result of 43.3 kilometer. Okay, and the bolt strength equal to for 28.97, 43.22 result find the 28.97 this. Okay, the strength of the bolt is 28.97 and the bearing strength of the bolt is 43.3 kilometer. Both are taken. Both bolt strength is 28.97 to 43.3 is the minimum. The minimum value is the get the 28.97. Okay, you to result get, but you take the minimum value. Okay, the value. Okay, then provide the number of bolt which is 25 into upon 28.9 equal to 2.6 bolt is the numbers of bolt fine. The provide equal to 2.6 equal to you average of 3 bolts. Okay, you find the number of bolts. Okay, total overload strength on the gusset plate 30 plus 50 plus 50 plus 30 equal to 160 minimum. That's the spacing of the bolt. You plate to the second plate in to the first bolt is the 30. First to second is 50, second, third is the 50, and the second, third bolt is to bolt to the plate 30. This is over the gusset plate. Okay. Then now your final you get the overall length of the gusset plate. Okay. You provide 3 bolts in the gusset plate connected to the beam. Okay. Clear? Then now the second question, a member of truss consists of a two IES 65 plus 66. Okay. Is the same conditions value. The force of the opposite side of 8 m thickness gusset plate angle section is subject to handle in the working load. Gamma is equal to 1.5, P is equal to 30, P equal to 50, and M 16 bolts are greater 4.6 are the easy make the connection. The same condition, bolt strength minimum 57.94 gauge and 57.73 is kilonewton. The minimum value is the 57.73. Okay, this value is 57.94 and 57 to get the minimum value. Number of bolt 1.5 into 100 upon 57.7 equal to 2.6 volt. So you provide the plate in the 3 bolt. Okay, in the same previous question. Then you show in the image 30, 50, 50, 30. Okay, this is a 160. In case of bolt and rivet connection, applied load cannot be divided into the two parts. As single bolt or the rivet will be used to transmit applied force. And all the 3 members are connected by a single bolt or rivet. Okay. Then now start the tensile strength of a member is a minimum of gross strength and net strength of the critical section. Okay, this is the P and this is the P second P. These are both are the connected to the gusset strength plate member. Okay, the design strength is the cross section area into permissible stress. According equal to B into T. Permissible stress Fi upon 1.1. The gross strength will be Ag into Fi upon 1.1. Okay, this is a gusset plate. The cross section area of section 1.1. This is section 1.1 is seen in the image. See in the image. Okay, this is section 1.1 and section 2.2. Okay, the section 1.1, cross section area is section 1.1. The section 1.1 you see B minus 2 denoting T is equal to A net. Okay, this is a permissible stress equal to AFU of 1.25. Okay, but you net strength of the critical section A net into AFU into 0.9 upon 1.25. AFU upon 1.25. You see the totally 1.25. A net 0.9. Okay, so this value Okay, so then it is the gross strength. Okay, the strength of the critical section in it, if you call it this to make design serviceable. Okay, the gross strength is the AZ to FY upon 1.1. Okay, next is the critical section in it, FU upon 1.25 0.9. Get the value. Okay, then now the permissible stress is decided by fibers which are the provided nearest to the bolts. This is a safe, this is a safety code. 0.9 is taken to the create extra margin. Okay, then the minimum thickness of the plate should not be less than 6 mm if regular maintenance is possible. If member maintenance is not possible, then minimum thickness should not be less than 8 mm. To your question, the designer builds designed to transfer 350 kN working load thickness plates is 12 mm each. Use them 20 boards of blade cells 4.6 to make connection where if the gamma is equal to 1.5. This is the plate connected to the and this is the plate. Okay, this plate is connected to the butt joint. There are two members. Okay, then now numbers of bolts equal to total load upon bolt strength. Total load equal to 350 into 1.5 equal to 525. After calculating, we get the result of 525 kilonewton. Okay, the setting strength of a bolt 2 into N8 into FUB upon 0.3 into 1.25. Okay, so then you 2 into 0.78 into 5 by 4 into 20 as 24 and upon 0.3 into 1.25 equal to 19.54 kilonewton. You get the result of 19.54 kilonewton. Okay, then bearing strength of bolt cannot calculate the thickness of cover plate is not given. It is assumed that shearing strength of bolt is burning. Number of bolt total load upon bolt strength equal to 1.5 into 350 upon 19 into 54 equal to 5.79. Okay, equal to 6 volts. The provider was 6 volts. Okay, the silver provider is connected to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 the main plate. Okay, they connected to the each other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is section 1, figure 2. But the second figure is parallelly, and third was the this type of arrange the board, and the fourth figure you must show this time. 4, 5, 6, 7. So here all the possible arrangement based arrangement will be one for each with requirement is the minimum. Okay, you arrange the main plate, how to arrange, how to fix the bolt. Okay, then you consider the plate. This is the minimum bolt. How do the will be one for each with requirement is the minimum. Okay, then tensile strength of the member of critical section must be greater than the intensity of applied. The cross section area equal to B into T. Okay, the T equal to 12 mm, D equal to 20 mm, D not equal to 22 mm. Okay, design action equal to greater than equal to less than equal to design action. Okay, the NT is the mm square, F is the Newton per mm square upon 1.25, the 0.29 is less than equal to 1.5 the kilonewton. Okay, the B1 minus 22 into 12 into 410 upon 1.25 into 0.9 is less than equal to 1.5 into 350 into 1000. Okay, then after calculating get the result to B1 equal to 172 70.21. Similarly, same arrange the B2. Suppose first is the B1 and the same is B2 into 2 into 22. Okay, 12 into 4, 10 upon 1.25 is 0.9. Is the less than greater than 1.5 into 350 into 1000. The B2 is the get the result is over 192.2. And same similarly B3. Okay, the B1, B2, and B3. The B3 is same B3, B4, B5, B6, 7, B7. So why you arrange this? Arrange this type of bolts. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So then you calculate the tensile member critical section must. Okay, every how to arrange the play bolts. Okay, so B3 is the same 1.22 into 12 into 4, 10 upon 1.25 is 0.9 is the less than 1.5 into 350 into 1000. The same as the B3 is equal to 120.2. Okay, then continuously B4 into 214 into 2 mm. Okay, so B5 minus 1.2 into 12 into 410 upon 1.25. Okay, then B4 equal to 14 into 2 mm, B5 is 1 into 2, 2 into 12 into 410 over 1.0.9. L equal to 1.5 into 350 into 1000. So B5 equal to 170.2 mm. Okay, there is a B4, then B5, then B6, 10 into 22 into 12 into 410 over 1.0.9. Is that equal to 1.5 into 350 1000 the same. So B6 is equal to 1 to 1.2. Okay, same B7. B7 will get a result 120.2. So for almost section, only one bolt must be provided. Okay. Then arrangement 2, 4, 6 are rejected as weight requirements is greater than 120.2 mm. Okay. The arrangement 1 and 3 are rejected as length of cover plate requirement will be more. At section 2.2, the design stance level design action B5 minus 3 into 2 into 12 into 410 upon 1.25 into 0.9 is less than equal to 525 minus 90.54. Okay, into 1000. So B5 to the 1.25 design stance get the greater equal to design action. So B5 is equal to 188.67 mm. Okay, then B7 is the same calculated as section 2.2. Okay, so B7 equal to 166.67 mm. The arrangement of 5 is selected as a width requirement. Okay, you will see the arrangement 5 with requirement greater than the 132 or more than number of board are available. So you arrangement of 5, you see the arrangement 5, how to arrange the bolt 5. See. Okay, you see the bolt 5 is the minimum. Mm. 1.8 B7 1.2 B7 to 166.6 mm. Okay, and 5 rejected as width requirement is greater than 120.2 mm. Yeah. Numbers of board are available. At section 3.3, section 3 you see the section 3 you see, not see the section 1.1, 2.2 and 3.3. Section 3.3 B7 into minus 7 3 into 2 to 12 into 410 upon 1.25 into 0.9 is less equal to 525 minus 2 into 90.54 into 1000 equal to B7 equal to 135.2. Okay, the width of the plate is the 180 mm design strength is equal to design extent Fg into Fy upon 1.1 equal to 1.5 at 350 You getting the result? The 490.9 is greater than less than equal to 5.25 kilometer is the answer. So 490 is the less than equal to 525 kilometer. Okay. So the SDFI greater than 1.5 into 350,000. So same condition 180 into 1.2 into 250 upon 1 point is greater than 525 to 1000. You getting the result 419.9 kilonewton is less than equal to less than 525 kilonewton. This is the unsafe zone. Okay, is this you see the section? You have see the section element of 5. You see the element 5. Okay, this element 5 is the first bolt in minimum. 2 and 3 bolt 3 to 5 is 6. This is the minimum to the 120.2 mm. This 166 137. This is the proper we have to arrange the this condition. Okay. Any problem? Second try 190 mm. You second third. Okay. The second try 190 mm. The 190 to 12 to 250 upon 1.1 is greater than equal to 525. Okay. But you after calculating the 515 18.18 kilonewton less than equal to 520 less than 525 kilonewton. This is the answer. Okay. Then second you try the 200 mm. The 200 is the greater than equal to 525 kilonewton. It is safe mode. Okay. The main plate is a 200 mm. Okay. The width of the plate is equal to 200 mm. Okay. This irons. Okay. This is E into P. Okay. Now two irons. This value is getting the result. The 545 is the maximum getter from the this. This is the safe mode. So the width main plate is equal to 200 mm. Not use the 199. Okay. Then how to arrange this? See the element of the 5, 1, 2, 3. This is 3, 2, 1. Okay. Same condition arrangement. Okay. Now start a design of cover plate. How to design the cover plate? The length of cover plate is calculated by the providing arrangement for bolts in distance. Okay. And the pitch distance. I already discussed in the bolted connection pitch and in distance. Okay. The pitch distance is the distance between two bolt. Okay. Pitch distance you see. Suppose you use 2 volt. This is the pitch distance. Okay. But in distance the plate, this is the plate. The plate in distance, the plate is equal to this. Okay. Then now length of cover plate. The width of cover plate must be same as width of main plate. This is the first transmission and economical. Okay. Then the thickness of cover plate is calculated to critical section. Okay. The design strength is greater than equal to design action. The A net AFU upon 1.25 is 0.9 greater than equal to 525 kilonewton. This is a critical section. The main 200 minus 3 into 2, 2 TCP into 410 upon 1.25 into 0.9 is greater than equal to 525 into 1000. So the TCP, okay, is equal to greater than equal to 113.27 mm. So where TCP is the total thickness of the cover plate. Okay, TCP is equal to total thickness of the cover plate. Hello. Okay, then now the copper plate thickness of 13.27 upon 2 equal to 6.64 mm. Okay, provide 8 mm. The bearing strength of the board is at 2.5 kV D T mm into FUP upon 1.25 equal to 15 D naught equal to 155 into 22. Okay, so P equal to 2.5 D, P equal to 220, 2.5 into 20. Okay, then equal to P is equal to 50. Then you're getting kV equal to E upon 3 D naught equal to 33 upon 3 to 22. Okay, 0.5. Okay, then the bearing is to the board is 2 to 2.5 kV into D into T minimum. T minimum is the cover plate and a FUP upon 1.25. The kV equal to E upon 3 D naught equal to 33 upon 3 into 2 equal to 0.5. The P equal to 3 D naught minus 0.25 into 0.51. Okay, and FUP upon FUP equal to 12 upon 10 equal to 0.9. The minimum value equal to 0.5. And after that, getting a three result calculating, then you get the bearing strength of the board is a 2.5 kV DT minimum FU of 1.25. 2.5 into 0.5 into 20 into 12, 8 plus 8 is the minimum 4 and 10 upon 1.2 equal to 98.4 kV. The bearing strength of board is greater than the setting strength of the bolt. Okay. Then now start a new topic efficient of a joint. What is the efficiency of the joint? It is the ratio of the minimum load transfer to the connection to maximum load carrying capacity of the member. The first member is the maximum load carrying capacity equal to SZ upon Fy, SZ into Fy upon 1.1. The second total sharing strength of bolts is N1 into sharing strength of a bolt. And the total bearing strength of bolts is equal to N1 into bearing strength of the bolt. And total bearing strength of main plate at a critical section T into F equal over 1.25 into 0.9. And the tearing strength of the top plate at critical section TCP into F equal over 1.25 into 0.9. Where N1, N2 and N1 equal total number of bolts, N2 equal total number of bolts at the outermost section, and N3 number of bolts at the innermost section. Is eta okay 2, 3, 4, 5 upon 1 is into 100. Okay. Is the how to the then you calculate the clearing capacity of power plant critical section. So you know in total number of bolts into number of bolts at outermost section and the number of bolts at the innermost section. Okay. Then now calculate efficiency of joint of previous questions. Okay. How to calculate the efficiency? The maximum load carrying capacity equal to AZ into Fy upon 1.1 equal to 200 into 12 into 250 upon 1.0. Then you get the calculate the result 545 into 45 kilonewton. Okay. Then total strength of the bolt 6 into 90.54. You get it 543.24. The total bearing strength of the bolt 6 into 98.4. Okay. And the carrying strength of a main plate at 200 minus you already calculated. Okay. 2 minus 1 into 2, 2 into 12 into 4, 10 upon 1.25 into 0.9 equal to 4630 into 9 kilometer. Okay. And then tearing us the cover plate, 200 minus 3 into 2, 2 into 8 plus 8 into 4, 10 upon 1.25 into 0.9 equal to 632.5 kilometer. But this symbol is the eta is 525. Okay, 543.24 upon this calculation, getting the result at 315 to the 525 kilometer. Okay, then you finally result the 96.25 percentage. Okay, then result is the diamond pattern is most economical and efficient arrangement for the plate and rivets. Okay, diamond pattern is designed for the main plate only. To in diamond pattern, critical section is almost section. The calculate efficiency of joint of diamond pattern. Calculate if you have joined the diamond pattern. The solution only two equation will be valid in the condition gross strength is into Fi upon 1.1 and net strength of main plate or critical section B minus G naught into T into Fu P upon 1.5 to 0.9 equal to 2 upon 1 into hand. Welded connection efficiency of the joint in the welded connection is 100%. Slag is removed from the welded connection to prevent from other correct caution. Okay, but welded connection are the best because eccentric is the zero. Then you see the welded connection is the zero. This is the two plates joint is the plates. Okay. Then design of bolt weld the case one single side penetration. Okay, the PT, the temporary plate, the top view, the P as the, okay, the both are the plate are connected. Design a strength cross section area permissible stress. The cross section area equal to B into 5 upon 8 teeth minimum. Okay, the effective thought thickness equal to 5 upon 8 plus minus minimum. Effective thought thickness, it is the thickness of welded portion that is used to transmit applied force that values 5 upon 8 into T minimum. The permissible stress is the Fy upon gamma mw, where gamma mw equal to 1.25. MW equal to 1 for the workshop and gamma mw equal to 1 equal to 4 field. Okay, the 2 gamma mw permissible stress Fy upon gamma mw. So butt weld connection is a B equal B into 5.8 T minus Fy equal to temperature reaction is an gradually manner and gamma mw equal to due to the top surface dateness. Okay, the case 2 double side penetration design strength the double side penetration in the plate. Okay, you see the result design stress cross section area permissible stress and the cross equal to P T minimum upon B into T minimum. Okay, then permissible stress is equal to Fy upon gamma mw. Okay, the gamma mw 1.25 for the shop and the gamma mw 1.5 equal to for the field. So you will see the two types of taken the result. Gamma mw 1.525 to for the shop and all details are the mentioned in the IS code. Okay, the IS code. But welded connection B into T minimum Fy upon gamma mw. Okay, then double side patternation should be always be the provided. The question design a butt joint to connect 14 mm and 16 mm thick plates are subjected to 450 kN factors load. Effective length of welded connection is 175 mm. Check the safety of connection, that is single side and the double side pattern.